Today morning updates. Nifty. The key support levels for the Nifty are placed at 17,250.20, followed by 17,050.80. If the index moves up, the key resistance levels to watch out for are 17,500.63 and 17,775.20. Bank Nifty. The key support levels for the Bank Nifty are placed at 37,450.90 followed by 36,850.30. On the upside, key resistance levels are placed at 38,350.40 and 38,875.40 levels. Sensex. The important level, which will act as crucial support index, is placed at 57,650.10 followed by 56,830.40 on the upside. Key resistance levels are placed at 58,350.30 and 58,775.40. Result on 01 February. Full score. Adani Ports, Tech Mahindra, Jindal Steel, Kansai Nerolac, Cholamandalam Investment, Sona BLW, Indian Hotel, Poonawalla Fincor, Aditya Birla Fashion, Lakshmi Organics etc. Stocks related news from previous day. HPCL, the company reported lower consolidated profit at 868.86 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against 2354.64 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue jumped to 1 rupee, 422.37 crore from 77,412.68 crore rupees YoY. IOC, the company recorded higher consolidated profit at 6,143.08 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against 4,359.11 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue jumped to 1 rupee, 99,375.30 crore from 1 rupee, 47,676.04 crore YoY. DLF, the company reported lower profit at 379.5 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against 449 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue increased to 1,549.7 crore rupees from 1,543 crore rupees YoY. Tata Motors, the company posted consolidated loss of 1,516 crore rupees in Q3 FY22 against profit of 2,906.5 crore rupees in Q3 FY21. Revenue fell to 72,229.3 crore rupees from 75,653.8 crore rupees YoY. Money bag FIIs and D's deal dollar note. Foreign institutional investors FIIs sold the worth of 3,624.48 crore rupees. Domestic institutional investors Ds bought the worth 3,648.45 crore rupees in the market on 31 Jan. GAIL, the company commenced India's first of its kind project of mixing hydrogen into natural gas system at Indore, Madhya Pradesh. BPCL, the company declared second interim dividend of 5 rupees per share. SBI, the company entered into an agreement with Tata Power Solar Systems for financing solar projects to launch a centralized processing cell, Surya Shakti Cell. It will process all the loan applications for solar projects capacity up to 1 megawatt sourced from across India, for installation by business entities and households. Tata Steel Long Products, the company won the bid to acquire a 93.71% equity stake in the Neelachal Ispat Nigam Limited for a total consideration of 12,100 crore rupees. NTPC, the company's subsidiary NTPC Vidyut Vyapar Nigam has acquired D5% equity stake in the Power Exchange of India. Ismitrip, the company appointed Nutan Gupta as Chief Executive Officer with effect from April 1, 2022, consequent to the resignation of Nishant Pitti. Pitti will remain as the chairman. Sabex, the company appointed Sumit Agrawal as the Chief Financial Officer. CSB, the bank revised overnight marginal cost of funds based lending rates from 7.5% to 7.6% from Feb. 1. Edelweiss Financial Services, the company appointed Ananya Suneja as Chief Financial Officer effective from March 1, 2022 in place of Sergio Simaria, who will move to a new role. The company also been allotted 20,000 equity shares of Rs. 10 each of Edelweiss Tokyo Life Insurance, increasing company's stake from 51% to 66%. Orient Cement, the company entered into share purchase, subscription and shareholders agreement with Upsala Technology and Upsala Systems for the acquisition of 26% stake in Upsala Systems for putting up the solar power plant with capacity of 13.5 megawatts, under captive scheme. DB Realty, the company will consider the proposal for raising of funds by way of private placement, preferential issue of convertible warrants, equity shares, other equity-linked securities on Feb. 3. Mahanagar Gas, the company will consider declaration of dividend on Feb. 8. EPA Industries, the company has appointed Ramesh Sheshan Iyer as the Chief Financial Officer. Jet Freight, the company's subsidiary Jet Freight Express began operations of its last-mile delivery via electric vehicle in an exclusive contract with several e-commerce companies. Jet Freight plans to include more electric vehicles to serve multinational companies. Emami, the company will consider second interim dividend and proposal of buyback of the fully paid-up equity shares on Feb. 3. Kansal Housing, the company has defaulted on the interest payment of 16 lakh rupees as on deck. 31. Shriram EPC, the company has defaulted on the loan payment of 339.16 crore rupees as on deck. 31. Aarti Industries, the company will consider the declaration of dividend on Feb. 5. Great Eastern Shipping, the company deleted A.H. Bhivindivalla Consultancy from the list of promoter group as the company has been voluntarily dissolved.